what future trends do you see in the coal industry? Do you think its cost advantage will outweigh its environmental impact?
Well, I think in the short term, the world's going to use more coal, and I think that there's no question that there's an environmental disadvantage to it. And I think the world will slowly, maybe more rapidly than that, but we will figure out better ways to do the things that coal does. That will be more environmentally friendly over time, but it isn't going to happen fast. I mean, if you shut down the coal-generated utilities in the United States, we would not be able to hold this meeting in a room with the lights on. And so it's a very tough problem to solve, or to even make big inroads on in a short period of time. Now, at Mid-American, we've put in a lot of wind capacity in the last 5 years or so, probably about as much as anybody has. But we are dependent a lot on coal. It's cleaner coal than it was 20 years ago, and we will be dependent on it for a long time. And it's a worldwide problem, obviously. And the Chinese are building coal plants at a very rapid rate. It's going to require cooperation and leadership on a worldwide scale. And frankly, the United States is not in a great position in terms of leadership because, per capita, we've done as much to this planet of a negative nature as any country in the world. So it's a little tough for us to go around preaching to people, but we will need a leader, in my view, that can sort of transcend our record of the past and get cooperation from major countries around the world. I don't think it's going to be fast. Charlie is less pessimistic on this than I am. Charlie?
Well, I think the people who are very against the use of coal should reflect which one they'd rather use up fast, the hydrocarbons, the oil and natural gas, or the coal. I would rather use up the coal because it's less desirable as a chemical feedstock for what we need to feed the world. And so I would argue that there's an environmental reason in terms of humankind for being very pro-coal use. Most people don't think that way, but I do.
Charlie does not find comfort in numbers.
No.